Welcome back to Tracy's Cooking, guys. Today we are going to cook up a delicious garlic butter shrimp fried rice. Come over to my kitchen, guys. Let's go cooking. Thank you so much for joining me today again. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to receive more of my lovely uploads. Today I am making a delicious garlic butter shrimp fried rice with vegetables. So here I have 1 pound of shrimp that is already clean that I am seasoning up with some Cajun season, some garlic powder, and onion powder. The Cajun season is a little spicy. If you don't like this kind of season, you can go ahead and use a complete season or an all-purpose season, or any kind of season you prefer to use. You just want to put something light to give it a little flavor. You can just go ahead and add some black pepper and salt also. But of course, for a richer flavor, you want to go in with more seasoning. So once your shrimp is seasoned, we want to leave it to marinate for at least an half an hour or more. My chosen vegetables are some broccoli, green peas, some mixed bell pepper. Here I have red, orange, and yellow that is finely chopped. Here I have some chives, onion, and garlic. And over here I have my rice. This is some brown rice, but you can use whatever rice you prefer. So to my frying pan, I have about 3 tablespoons of butter that is already melted, and I'm going to go ahead and add my finely minced garlic. This is about 6 garlic. You can add less or more, depends on how much you love your garlic flavor to pop in your food. I really love garlic, so I always use a lot of garlic in my cooking. And of course, we are making garlic butter shrimp, so you want to go in with as much garlic as possible. So we are going to go straight ahead and add our shrimp. We have some really small shrimp here, so it won't take much time. So we are going to leave this to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes, depends on how long the shrimp take to cook, but you don't want to leave it for too long. So to give the shrimp a little color, I go ahead and add a little paprika. It didn't show in the video, but I go ahead and add a teaspoon of dry thyme to really allow the flavor from the garlic shrimp to pop. The combination of the thyme and garlic really give the shrimp a nice flavor. Once the shrimp is done, I remove it from the pan. And this same pan, I am going to continue with the rest of my veggie. Look at this shrimp, how it looks so mouth-watering, delicious. This is a recipe by itself. This could just serve up with something on its own. So here I have my onion pieces that I'm going to saute for a short while before I go ahead and continue adding the rest of seasoning. So that's the chives. And there goes our broccoli and green peas. And we're just going to give this a quick mix. Then we are going to add our finely minced bell pepper. After giving this a nice stir, we are going to go ahead and add our rice. And we are going to add a little seasoning to make the flavor pop a little more. So I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little paprika, and a little more Cajun season. Once we add our season, we want to go ahead and give this a proper stir to make sure all the season are combined together to give every area of this stir fry rice a nice flavor. Every spoonful you take, you should have a popping flavor and taste in your mouth. Around this time, we will go ahead and add the shrimp and continue with the stirring of our garlic butter, shrimp with rice and veggie. So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the final result of our garlic butter stir fry rice with veggie. This came out really tasty. So like I always said, go ahead and try this recipe and drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. A big shout out, of course, to my faithful subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for your love and support. Bye.